In this Chyron CC6, we focus on Chyron Prime Designer and the classic keyboard, demonstrating how you can use hotkeys to trigger conditions. In this scene, we have a group of conditions that reveal each line of copy. The control panel allows you to reveal all the text or one row at a time. This condition is set for each line of copy. Prime gives us the ability to add custom hotkeys that, when entered, it can run a condition. This feature can be used with or without a classic keyboard, but is really fast with. I'm going to attach each line to reveal on the A1 keys from the top row. In the hotkey property, I'm going to enter the key that I want attached to each condition, and I'm going to do this for each row. Now when I load the scene, I'm going to use Tab to set the reveal options. Use the down arrow to select. Then play to air. Now trigger each line of content by pressing the A1 keys. Then exit the full screen out of program, all without touching the mouse, all within Chyron Prime Designer using the classic keyboard.